This workflow demonstrates usage of JoinOnColumns node to join two datasets using left outer mode. First node reads employee data. Second node reads department data. Third node is JoinOnColumns node, which is used to join incoming datasets of employee and department. Incoming datasets have department code in common, which is used to join them. Based on the need, multiple columns can be selected to join incoming dataset. Join type selected is left outer. Join type can be selected as inner, outer, left outer, right outer, or left semi. Output would be impacted based on join type selected. First dataset selected is left and second one is right dataset. When join type is selected as left outer, then all rows from left dataset or the first dataset are selected. From second dataset or the right one, only the matching rows on joining columns would be selected. SQL node is used to select required columns and to rename columns in the output. Execution of this workflow would result in this output. Output contains employee code, employee name, and department code from employee dataset. Department name is selected from department dataset against matching department code. Output contains all rows from left dataset and only the matching rows from right dataset. Null value is selected for right dataset where match is not found.